How many clothes in your closet do you actually wear? We all hate it, but you know that moment when you're late for an event, digging through your clothes and nothing seems quite right. We're left standing in a pile of hangers and clothes we haven't worn in 5 years saying, I have nothing to wear. We've all been there. I've had that experience plenty of times. And so I decided to build a capsule wardrobe to help myself save time, money, and clothing. I'm Britt Baker, founder and CEO of Dow Janes and minimalist money coach. And I'm gonna tell you about my experience building a capsule wardrobe. But first, if you want more tips on how to save money as a minimalist, definitely subscribe. We're doing a whole series on this topic and I don't want you to miss out. So go click that subscribe button. Okay, let's dive in. What is a capsule wardrobe? Maybe you've never heard that before. Essentially, a capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of clothing where everything goes with everything. A capsule wardrobe should be built around your lifestyle with things that make you feel happy and that you love to wear repeatedly. Some people will say that a capsule wardrobe should be 30 or 50 pieces and then you switch them out every few months for the new season. Personally, I don't believe in putting a number on it. To me, a capsule wardrobe, like all minimalist habits, is all about getting rid of excess to hone in on what really serves you and brings you joy. So you could have 70 or 100 pieces. As long as you actually wear and enjoy them, it's all good. Okay, so why did I decide to build a capsule wardrobe? Mostly, I wanted to make it easier to get dressed. I have way more important things to focus on than what I'm going to wear. But I also care about style. Style is important to me, so that's what led me on this capsule wardrobe journey. I also wanted to love everything in my closet. I'm a huge Marie Kondo fan, so if it doesn't spark joy, it's out. And I wanted to make a change that would be in line with my values of environmentalism and anti-consumption. I didn't want to keep buying clothes from fast fashion brands that are destroying the earth. I wanted a more sustainable approach. Basically, I wanted to stop wasting time and energy, enjoy getting dressed, and feel like I was living in line with my values. So if those are things you want in your life, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's talk about how I did it. How did I build this capsule wardrobe? First of all, I knew I wouldn't be able to do this on my own, so I hired a stylist I found on the internet. She's amazing, I love her, and would highly recommend. I'll leave her website in the description below. Hey, Cassie. If you know me from any other videos, you know I need accountability for getting things done. Well, Cassie was the ultimate guide on this journey. With her help, here are the steps that I took. First, I did an audit of my current wardrobe. I tried on every single piece of clothing in front of a mirror, and I asked myself, with Cassie's input, does this piece bring me joy? Do I feel great and confident in it? Does it match my personal style? I was going for a sophisticated classic look, so when I put on a dress that was too short and looked too young, it was out. The other question I asked was, does it go with at least 3 other things in my wardrobe? And if it was a bold pattern and didn't work with a bunch of other items, it was out. Then I planned my capsule wardrobe. After I eliminated everything I didn't want or that didn't work, I had a much clearer picture of what I was working with. So then we created outfits with what was left. Cassie would show me how to dress up or dress down the same piece so I could wear it to a picnic or an event. And as we were creating outfits, I discovered the clutch pieces that were missing from my wardrobe, like a great leather jacket. Then I took action. I donated and brought the clothing to clothing swaps for everything that didn't fit in my newly curated wardrobe. I kept my eye out for the few missing pieces, although I'm still looking for a great leather jacket if you have any recommendations. I strongly recommend building a capsule wardrobe. It has been so helpful for me. Having a smaller, cohesive collection of high quality pieces takes more stress off your daily routine than you'd think. Plus, I feel much more confident in my style because I know that I'm only keeping clothes that I truly love and feel amazing in. If overhauling your entire wardrobe sounds overwhelming, start small. Donate some clothes you don't wear anymore and limit the amount of clothing you buy. Over time, you'll notice your personal style becomes more defined, your decision fatigue drops, and you save money. Wins all around. I'll end this video with a fashion show of a few of my favorite outfits, and you can tell me what you think.